This video talks about Lunar New Year treats and snacks, including melon seeds, New Year cakes, fried snacks, sugar-coated snacks, other goodwill snacks, and read the relevant words aloud. Hello, I'm Hong. I'm a native Hong Konger. I hold a master's degree in teaching Chinese as foreign language and 9 years experience of teaching. You can download Lunar New Year food flashcards in the description box below. First thing first, the official English name for the 農曆新年 Lunar New Year in Hong Kong is Lunar New Year, not Chinese New Year. Melon seeds are usually watermelon seeds, but even pumpkin seeds are called 瓜子 because pumpkins are also 瓜 for ease of naming. Sunflower seeds, although they are from sunflower, 向日葵, sometimes are also called 葵瓜子. Melon seed, 瓜子, 黑瓜子, 黑瓜子, 紅瓜子, 紅瓜子, 白瓜子, 白瓜子, 葵花子, 葵花子. In Hong Kong, the cakes eaten during the Lunar New Year are called 賀年糕點, which naturally means cake and snacks to celebrate the New Year, shortened as 年糕. However, 年糕 can also be the specific name for sticky rice cake. New Year cake, 年糕. 馬蹄糕, 馬蹄糕. 年糕, 年糕. 芋頭糕, 芋頭糕. 蘿蔔糕, 蘿蔔糕. 炸嘢 literally means deep fried things, and these traits lack a specific categorization. Taro shrimp symbolize laugh. The crispy pastry dumpling resemble ingots representing wealth. The appearance of sesame cookie balls looks like a bored smile, and the round shape of a fried sticky rice ball signifies wealth and prosperity. Deep fried snacks, 炸嘢. 芋蝦, 芋蝦. 油角, 角仔, 油角, 角仔. 笑口棗, 笑口棗. 煎堆, 煎堆. 甜嘢 naturally means sweet things. 全盒 naturally means whole box, symbolizing completeness and reunion, much like a box filled with good fortune. 糖 refers to sugar. Traditional New Year candies are foods made with sugar, as sugar was once scarce, and eating it during the New Year was seen as a celebration. Sugar-coated snacks 甜嘢全盒全盒糖金桔糖金桔糖椰角糖椰角糖椰絲糖椰絲糖蓮藕糖蓮藕糖蓮子糖蓮子糖冬瓜糖冬瓜 New Year fruits emphasize auspicious meanings. Petitions represent happiness. Chocolate cones symbolize wealth. Tangerine also signify wealth. And mandarin orange represent good luck. Other snacks 其他零食開心果開心果朱古力金幣朱古力金幣金金吉吉 I'm home. I teach Cantonese in English. The channel will update Cantonese classes. Welcome to subscribe. If you want to learn on your own, you can download the teaching materials from my Patreon. If you find my video useful, please like, comment, and share. Your support is important. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.